Hey, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited that something landed on my doorstep. And I am doing an unboxing of a new to me company. So come check them out, see if you like them, what you think about them, and give me your opinion of their product down in the comments. So see you just a sec. All right, people. What is this? There's no words. I don't know. There's just packages flying on my door. There's no name on it but mine. So we're going to dive in. I may need to pause you and look something up because I have no idea what this is. So here we go. I do have you on a close-up because I wanted to be able to show you things and be able to control the lighting. So we're gonna dive in and see what's in here. I don't know. I don't know. What in the world? All right, I'm just gonna pull these out. We're gonna see. So these bags look familiar based on what I've seen, other people opening. So I'm going to pause you. I'm going to pull up an email I have, and that way I get everything correct. Okay, thank you. I know that only was a second for you, but this is actually from GBFKE. I'm going to put the link down below. Please check them out. I know there's a couple YouTubers that are doing reviews right now on them, and I'm so excited to be able to open this for you. So we're going to start first with this wonderful, beautiful, I love these journals. I'm starting to use them for my YouTube videos and what I have planned, what I want to have planned. Now, it is a little dusty. And the first thing I see here is that the cover is not put on all the way. So you're going to have some potential issues in the corner. So I'm going to take this off and reposition it. It looks like it got folded up. So let's reposition it. It's a partial on top of a blank notebook, but I do like these because I can use them to show, to write in what I'm doing for my next video. The next thing I noticed is that there's a lot of sticky on here, almost like it got stacked onto the one below it. So I'm going to need to use some Goo Gone or some remover alcohol to get that off. And I don't know what it'll do to this cover. But I love the design. Look at that beautiful design. It's like a quarter of a mandala. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I cannot wait to do it. These are good projects to give out as gifts. I know they're doing like a smash the specials, but this is a project that I like to give to people who want to learn how to diamond paint, to get them hooked on it. It's also something to actually do yourself and then give as a Christmas gift or a birthday gift to a writer or to an artist. And then they have the special drills or diamonds. I'm just going to go quickly through these. We have a lot to get through today. And I just love the different shapes. These are cute. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. These little rhinestones. Oh, and then you've got these beautiful, this almost looks like 820 ABs. So this will be a fun project that I can do while watching Netflix, or I can think of if I can get that glue off, maybe I can give it as a gift this Christmas. I can do it and give it as a gift. I love that, Brandy, you're doing that for all your peeps. People think, oh my gosh, you got 50 diamond painting things. It's like, that's how much you'd spend on gifts for people. And why not give them something handmade and special, right? And that is very reasonably priced on GBFKE. That came to, trying to get you the cost. That was $10.40 in euros. They do have discounts a lot, buy two get one free, different things like that. So although it does sound a little pricey, it's really not, because that doesn't include all the specials that they usually have, which brings down the price significantly. Okay, so this was super cute. This little koala here. It's a 30 by 40. Oh, he's adorable. It's got 26 colors. You get your little boat, the single placer. Let's see how it is poured glue, which is super nice. It's sticky. Let's see how the symbols look. Right here, let's see. They're clear. They are a little dark, so you may need a light pad, but they're very clear. He is adorable. Look at him. Take me home with you. Don't leave me in a warehouse. Don't leave me. All right, so I'm going to measure to see. It's a 30 by 40. And the canvas itself is 30 by 40. So the drill size is slightly smaller. The drill size is measuring 25 by 35. Okay, so just know that going in, that if you're going to get something that needs detail to go a little bit bigger. Let's look at these drills. They do not look like they have the DMC on the packaging, but they do have it on the canvas. So if you are one of those people that keeps and wants to match up, or if something is missing and you need to replace, you do have all the tools you need, okay? So I'm looking really closely at these drills. You can see they have the little hole where they punch through, but I have never had that be an issue for me. But these look like really good quality drills. As you can see, I mean, it's more muted colors because he's a koala. He's not going to have vibrant pinks and different things like that. I knew that going into it, that I would have browns and blues. The drills look nice. They are in the train. The train is they're all attached and pre-weighted, so you're not counting out how many bags. But I have noticed that many companies are going towards that, and I do like that. Put this back in. These infamous white bags, right? We're seeing those everywhere. Okay, so the next one, I'm excited about this one, guys. Oh no, this is not the one I was thinking. It's with a different company. So this is one of their larger kits that I picked out. They wanted me to do one small kit, one large, and one medium, and one special. Okay, so it has 22 colors. It's all numbers and letters, you can see there. And this is, I'm going to lift you up, okay, so you can see it. Ooh, we're going on a ride. Okay, so it is like, looks like koi fish. It's an interesting picture. I am not a big koi fish fan. So we will see how this goes. This one is actually 7.48 euros. I don't know what this means right here. I'll have to look into it. They give you 2 boats, 2 single placers, some wax. There's a lot of this salmon pink color, a lot of it. Okay, it's sticky. The symbols are pretty clear. It's a dark color, so I'm going to probably need my light pad to make sure that I'm getting it where it's at, but many of the colors are different enough that I'll be able to tell. Okay, and it's just these koi fish right here. And this one measures, this one was the bigger one. Let's see how long this one is. Whee! Okay, it's measuring 74. So it was meant to be an 80 by 29. It's meant to be, I don't know what it was meant to be, but it's 35. So 80 by 35 canvas, or 74. But yeah, these drills are the same. They're round. Okay, they don't have the DMC codes, but the DMC codes are on the canvas themselves. And like I said, there is a lot of this peach and salmon color. So I'm going to need to do this one when I've completed a dark canvas. There's some reds, there's this peach. Let's see what this number is. 152 is what that color is. And then this color, number 4, is 225. It's number 4. All right. And they're round. These are all round. I'll have to let you know how this fits up. This may actually be a gift for a giveaway. If somebody really likes fish and pink, and they would like this as a giveaway option, that could always be arranged as well. Stick it back in the infamous white bag so I don't lose anything. Oh, come on. It's like, I don't want to go back in there. I've been in there forever and ever. All right, I'll do that later. You guys don't need to see me struggle. This is the one I was most excited about. However, the way they packaged and sent this to me is not the best way for taking care of your diamond paintings. Thankfully, it is poured glue, so hopefully I'll be able to not have to deal with any rivers. But as you can see, it came a little bit crushed because of the size. Its size, I'll have to look on the canvas. But I was really excited about this one. You guys all know I love elephants. And this sideways glance is what it is. It has 18 colors. And I've started to see this image popping up a lot. And I might replace, here's my boat and single placer. I might replace some of the drills with specials just to give it a little gold feel, little sunshine. And I should have cleaned off my desk to show this to you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm going to lift you up so you can see it. But there is the elephant. Isn't she gorgeous? And she's like out here with the little waves and the sand, this beautiful aqua color. It just gravitated. And I've started seeing this one many times on the different shops that don't have customs. They have the stock photos. And yeah, it's gonna be fine. It's a little wrinkled, but there's nothing actually wrong with the canvas or the glue. And that's what's nice about poured glue, is that they can take a little bit more beating up. It is, again, all letters. There's no numbers. It is a very clear drill field, which means where you place your diamonds, you can see the letters, even in the dark parts, very clearly. And then here are the drills. OMG, I love these colors. And crinkle, crinkle. Crinkle means fun to me. So if you don't like it, mute it. But these colors are beautiful. Look at this blue. Let's see, number 12. Yeah, that's the 3809. That is gorgeous. And this will be really nice for multi-placing as well. These colors are divine. I'm so excited, and I can't wait. I'm going to have to go on to DP with sparklers and get some gold, because I would love up here in the elephant's crown and here, I would love to kind of add some gold where that is, and then the ears and stuff. Oh, I'm going to have some fun. Tia, I need your help. Can you help me? Let's get on like a Zoom or something, and I'll show this to you, and you help me pick out my colors. And that's what I just love now about diamond painting, now that I've broken the rules. Thank you, Wolfpack. But now that I've broken the rules and am working on how to bling out my paintings to make them pop, it's addicting. It's addicting. So please go check out this company. This is a 65 by 50, which means it's probably a 55 by 40, which is around my sweet spot, which is great. And I can't wait to start on it. You may see him still yet in 2020. Who knows? We will see. And I need to name him or her. But please check out this company. I see a lot of great deals from them all the time. They have sales, GBFKE.com. I'll put the link down below, as well as the links to these 4 kits that I received. They also have deals all the time on, you know, buy 2, get 1 free, or buy 3, get 2 free, different things like that. And check them out, because they're an up-and-coming company of stock images. And do beware, I have seen a couple licensed images on there. So if you do see some of those, it's, you know, up to you on how you would like to deal with that. Personally, I do my best not to purchase those images because I want to honor the artist. I leave that up to you as a personal choice. But yes, definitely check out this company, and I'm going to be checking them out as well in the future to see what else I can find. So until next time, be blessed, take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.